is the perfect way to end a perfect day.
Are we ever gonna talk about it?
Nessa?
Do you hate me?
You know my reason.
You wanna hurt me?
You're nothing.
Hurt me?